Hello everyone. Today, we are going to explore the Magento 2 Marketplace Restrict Vendor Product module. This module helps store owners manage product and their attribute access for vendors with ease. Admins can decide which products vendors are allowed to access, keeping the catalog organized and consistent.
Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore a number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now, let's move back to our video.
Here we can see the general settings. Navigate to allow default attribute to edit. We can select the attributes like quantity, price, meta title, and description, and also select the email template for the request status. Now, click the Save Configuration button. Here we can see the configuration has been successfully saved. Now, move to the front end. The seller can click on Seller Product and navigate to All Products. Here, the seller can see all the products from the admin end. Now, select a product, click the Action button, and choose Request for Assigned Products. Here we can see that the product approval request has been successfully submitted to the admin. Now, click on Marketplace Management and navigate to Manage Vendor Product Request. Here we can see the seller's request and its status as pending. Now select the request and click the Action button. Here the admin can approve the seller's request. Click Approve and then click OK. Here we can see the request has been successfully approved, and the status has been changed to Approved. Now, click on My Product List. We can see the product is now editable. Click the Edit button. We can see the price, stock, and stock availability. We can edit the price. Now, click the Save button. Here we can see the price has been successfully updated to 50.
So this is the functionality of this module. I hope you liked it. If you have any queries, contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com.
Thanks for watching, and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for the latest update.